Hi, my name is Corey Barlogi, and I wanted to talk with you about the goal setting that the district has asked assistant principals to do this year. They're tied in with the LCAP goals for the district, and they're also tied in with the capsules. So this year, I'm going to be working closely with my site principal on 3 different goals that we have set. The first goal is use multiple measures of data and with focusing on equitable access, opportunities, and outcomes for all students, assist in facilitating the development and implementation of a shared student-centered vision for Anna-Kyle while including all members of Anna-Kyle in the process and application of this vision. As I mentioned earlier, these goals are tied in with the LCAP for the district. So goal 1, create safe, inclusive, and welcoming learning environments where students attend and are connected to their schools. And then goal 2 is engage parents, families, and community partners through education, communication, and collaboration to promote student success. The capsule that I'm focusing on for this goal is Standard 1, which is development and implementation of a shared vision. So it's going to be all 3 parts. 1A, student-centered vision, 1B, developing a shared vision, and then element 1C, which is vision planning and implementation. The evidence and data that I will be collecting to document the growth of this goal will be build and maintain positive relationships with teachers, staff, families, and students, developing, planning, supporting, and implementing the student-centered shared school vision, collaborating and guiding teachers in implementing the student-centered shared school vision. The data, or the way that I'm going to measure this goal, is by including families, teachers, students, and staff in the process so that it is a student-centered shared vision, and the end product will be a written student-centered shared vision. This student-centered shared vision will be communicated so that everyone embraces it. Evidence on building relationships will be monitored through classroom observations and evaluations by using constructive criticism and coaching strategies. I'll be building and creating a safe and welcoming environment for students and staff, and I'm going to also have frequent check-ins with the principal on the progress of this goal. The support that I'm going to need for this goal is opportunities to have conversations with teachers, students, families, community members, and staff about the needs of all students. I'm going to need opportunities to interact and engage with teachers, families, and students. I'm going to have frequent check-ins with the principal and my coach on this progress, and then also having those honest, candid, constructive criticism and coaching conversations that will help me grow professionally. I feel that coming to a school that has connections and relationships already built is one where I'm really going to have to focus on using my interpersonal communication skills. So I have signed up for a PD through Brandman to help me with this. Already to help me meet this goal, I've had conversations with teachers. I have been doing observations, going into classrooms, giving those constructive criticism conversations, and giving some of my insight as a teacher to help the teachers here grow professionally. I'm also in the process of building those relationships with the staff and the teachers so that they feel safe and having those kinds of conversations with me. And I want to make sure that I make those connections also with the students and the families as I grow as a leader here at Anna-Kyle.